Hey guys, welcome back. It's time for another round. Now today's topic is let's travel. Transportation. These are things that we use to get from one place to another. Let's begin. Car. Car. It's a car. Bus. Bus. It's a bus. Truck. Truck. It's a truck. Train. Train. It's a train. Motorbike. Motorbike. It's a motorbike. Bicycle. Bicycle. It's a bicycle. Airplane. Airplane. It's an airplane. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. It's a hot air balloon. Helicopter. Helicopter. It's a helicopter. Boat. Boat. It's a speedboat. Cruise ship. Cruise ship. It's a cruise ship. Ferry. Ferry. It's a ferry. Now, let's take a look at some sentences. Now, I want you to say, I can go. Good job. Let's try it again. I can go. I can go. So let's try it with the transportation. I can go in a car. I can go in a car. I can go in a truck. I can go in a truck. I can go on a train. I can go on a train. I can go on a bus. I can go on a bus. I can go on a motorbike. I can go on a motorbike. I can go on an airplane. I can go on an airplane. I can go in a hot air balloon. I can go in a hot air balloon. I can go in a helicopter. I can go in a helicopter. I can go on a boat. I can go on a boat. So guys, here's what I want you to do. I want you to practice, okay? Practice with all the different things you've learned. I want you to practice the vocabulary and I want you to practice the sentences, okay? So, I will see you next time. Bye-bye, and stay tuned for part 2. See you later!